to Emily spends all of her money. I got more dorm stuff, and wow, I'm one broke bitch. I got more dorm things, and I'm here to show you what it is. So yes, let's get into it. So the first thing is already packed up in a box, and I don't want to deal with getting it out, so I'll just put a picture right here. It's by the brand Nithra. It's from Amazon. It's a light gray duvet cover. I got it for $26.99. It has like all these little wrinkles in it, which like, nice. All the reviews say it's very soft, which is a good thing, because I have this weird thing with fabrics that I can't touch things that are like hard. Like I only use jersey sheets, for example, because I can't touch normal sheets. They make me feel disgusting. So, does anyone else have that? Someone like tell me, please. It's for a full bed because, fun fact, I'm taking my bed to college. What? And then another thing I got off of Amazon is this. It is a desk organizer, apothecary. It's by Kate and Laurel. It was way too expensive. It's from Amazon. It was $62.99 or 62 something, but they have it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's $71.99 there, and so I got like a little bit of a discount, so thanks Amazon. They also have one where it's like 3 rows of 3, but I wanted this one to fit my palettes down here. So yeah, this is for my makeup. I'm gonna put like, oh my god, this is like not easy. I'm gonna put like glitters, foundations, palettes, you know. Yeah, so that is my makeup organizer, and I'm fucking determined to make all of the makeup I'm bringing to fit in here, except for my theater makeup. That can live somewhere else. Next thing, I got a label maker. It was $9.99 at Target. I got this one specifically because it doesn't have that really ugly label maker font. It has like the typewriter font. It says embossing label maker. That's all I got. Wow. Yeah, this is my label maker, and to go with that I got these, which are refills because I only want black, and this one comes with black and red makes me anxious, so I don't want that in my dorm room. Okay, goodbye. Next I got this, which is just a first aid kit. I got it for free because my mom bought 3 first aid kit things. There's band-aids in this. I need to get more things for it, but it's just from Target. You can get it for free if you purchase 3 first aid things. And it says that free bag when you buy any 3 participating items. Just a little first aid kit. I'm going to add more to it when I get more things. This is so stupid. It's so stupid. I love this brand. The Hearth and Hand, Hearth and Heart, Hearth and Home. Ooh, fuck. Fuck me up, bro. Love that brand. This is a notepad. It's kind of like vintage-ish. Love it so much. It's so cool. I'm gonna put this on my desk and just like write. If I have a due date, I'll just write 11/16/18, which is my birthday. And then just write like what it is. And if I'm doing work at my desk, or if I'm doing my makeup at my desk, I'll just see this and say, oh yeah, I need to do that. This was $9.99, which is so stupid. This is too expensive for fucking paper, but I love it, so I got it. I'm such a bitch, I'm sorry. Next thing I got is this. This one is going outside my door to say like, welcome to my room. I honestly God, I have no idea how much this was. $9.99. So yes. It comes with little stickers, magnet stickers, marker, 2 magnets. I'm very excited. I want to have friends, so I'm gonna put that outside my door and hope someone likes me. Next thing I got is a razor, and I got it for free. Oh, thanks, Venus. They sent me in the mail, they sent a thing that said, free razor for your daughter, and I was like,
Venus, you shouldn't have.
It said free razor for your daughter, and then like it has some other coupons that I didn't really look at, but it said free razor. So I got the most expensive one, which is the one I use already. It's Gillette Venus, and it's the flexi ball one. And it's just, that's it. It was $12.99, but I got it for free, so thanks, Venus. Now, I'm getting real serious and adult-like up in here. These are bowls. Okay, it literally just says bowl on the bottom. How much was this? I think it was 79 cents. Yes, 79 cents. I got 2 because I don't want to do my dishes too often. I was thinking about going with paper plates and plastic, like utensils and napkins, but I don't want to kill the planet any more than it's already been killed. So I'm going with these that you can just wash and use again. I'm going to use them for cereal and ramen probably, and that's it. So I got them in black. It's my whole aesthetic, you know. Oh. And to go with that, I also got the plates, which are also 79 cents, that are black. Same thing, just plastic. And then I got some different cups because the cups that go with these are just like plastic black, and they remind me of prison cups, okay? They remind me of prison cups. Go watch Orange is the New Black and tell me they don't look like prison cups. So I got these instead. I think these are, I don't know, like $1. This says tumbler. It's a fucking cup, bro. Oh my god, these are $2? What the hell? I just got some cups. I got some silverware. This was $8.99, but I got it on sale for $8.09. I got the wood ones because I thought it would look really good with the black. Do you guys agree? I don't know. Tell me. Also, fun fact about me, I refuse to use normal forks. I only use salad forks. Thanks, Room Essentials. Really like these. I actually really like these. I like the wood. Next thing I got is a giant planter. It is a big boy. It's a 12-inch planter because I have a Majesty Palm upstairs that I got for my room. Oh, this says for outdoor use. Oops. That's it. I really wanted one of those mid-century modern ones with the stand that, you know, the one, but they're all like $150. It is not that deep, bro. This was, hold on, I'm gonna check how much this was because it was like literally less than $5. I lied. This was $5.99. If this is $5.99 and wood is not that much, if you just go to fucking Home Depot, why are they $150? Why? Just a question. Next, I went to Kohl's. And Kohl's makes me so uncomfortable. I got 2 bath towels, which were on sale. They were like $26 originally, and I got them for $17. Don't quote me on that. And I got 2 hand towels. I know these were also on sale, but I don't know what for. 20% off of 20 is... hand towels for when I wash my face, and another big towel. I got 2 of each because you need more than 1 towel. Next thing, I got a bath wrap because I don't want to be naked in the hallways, so I got a bath wrap to prevent that. And I kind of made these match. Like there's gray in this and there's gray in this because one of these is going to be on my hair and this one's going to be around me. So yes, this was My camera died, I'm sorry. This is $24.99. That's expensive. I think that's all I got. If there's more, I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoy my dorm haul. Was it a mess? Yes. Did I spend too much money? Also yes. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you soon.
And I'm like, never thought it hurt so bad.